Evaluate the definite integral. Integration of x times quantity x squared plus 1 square dx with respect to x from -1 to 1. So first we consider just the indefinite integral without the limits. We integrate, find n antiderivative, then we evaluate that antiderivative at the upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so we let I be just the indefinite without limits, x times quantity x squared plus 1 squared, and we want to integrate this. So here we got a product of two functions and we have inside function, so we need to use the substitution. Okay, so we say this equals, let's say u. So let u be x squared plus 1. Now we want to convert everything in terms of new variable u. Okay, so we need to convert dx as well. So to get this dx, we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when we differentiate, we get derivative of u du over dx in the left hand side is equal to derivative of x squared is 2x plus 0, just 2x. Now we want to isolate dx from here, which is same as in the differential form. It's like cross multiplying. Du equals 2x dx. Then we can now isolate dx, so times 2x, so divide by 2x. So dx equals du over 2x. Okay, with this substitution, now our indefinite integral I becomes x, this is u squared, now dx, that is du over 2x. Okay, now this x on the top, x on the bottom cancel, so we are left with u squared du over 2. This is a constant and we can always pull the constants outside, so to outside, that means 1/2. Now we have u squared du, 1/2 outside, and antiderivative of u squared is like x and dx. Using the power rule, u 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3 plus c, which is not needed in our case because eventually we're gonna use these limits, so plus c is not needed. On the bottom, 2 times 3 is 6. Now back substitute the value of u, 1 over 6, u cubed, that's on the top by the way. U is x squared plus 1, so x squared plus 1 cubed. Now we want to evaluate this definite integral, so I from -1 to 1, so we evaluate this function at the upper limit 1 minus evaluate this at the lower limit -1. Okay, so that is 1/6 is always outside. Now upper limit is 1, so plug in 1, so 1 is squared plus 1, 1 is squared is 1 plus 1 2, 2 cubed, that's 8, that's the upper limit part, minus lower limit, plug in the x equals -1, so -1 is squared is +1 plus 1 2, 2 cube is 8. We factored 1/6 outside. Okay, so this is common in both upper limit lower limit, so we can pull outside. We replaced x by 1 and got 8, minus, this is coming from the fundamental theorem of calculus, upper limit minus lower limit means plug in x equals -1, we got 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, and 0 times 1/6 is 0, so the definite integral is 0. Final.